Hello everyone. This video is Cambridge Primary Mathematics Workbook 4, Unit 1, Exercise 1.1, 1.2, and 1.3. Title is Numbers and then Number System. အားလုံးပဲမင်္ဂလာပါ။ဒီဗီဒီယိုလေးကတော့ Cambridge Primary Mathematics Workbook 4ရဲ့ Unit 1, Exercise 1.1, 1.2, 1.3 ဖြစ်ပါတယ်။ Numbers and then Number System ဖြစ်ပါတယ်။ Okay, this is Article 1.1, Counting and Sequences. Counting and sequences. Worked example 1. The numbers in this sequence increase by 30 each time. 30 each time. So 10, 40, 70. 10 plus 30, 40, 10 plus 30, 70. The sequence continues in the same way. Okay, which number in the sequence is closest to 200? Okay, so we have to list the terms in the sequence, and the next term in the sequence are, so 10 plus 30, 40, 70, 100, 130, 160, 190, but we have to continue over 200. 200 and 190, after 190, it is 220. So we have to look 190 and 220. Which one is closest to 200? Okay, 190 and another 10 is 200, and another 20 is 10 is 220. So 190 is closest to 200. Okay, our answer is 190. Okay, this is exercise 1.1. Number 1, Hassan shaded in gray these numbers on 100 square. The numbers form a pattern. Okay, part A, what is Hassan's rule for finding the next number? So his sequence is gray ones, 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99. So we have to find term to term rule. Each term increase by, we have to take the difference between 1, 22 minus 11 is 11. 33 minus 22 is 11. So his rule is at 11. Part B, what is the next number in his pattern? His last number is 99. So 99 plus 11 is 110. His next number is 110. Okay. Number 2, the sequence 10, 16, 22 continues in the same way. Write the next two numbers in the sequence. So let's check the rule or term to term rule. 10, 16, 10 plus 6. And 16 plus another 6 is 22. So term to term rule is at 6. So after 22, 22 plus 6 is 28. 28 plus 6 is 34. Okay, number 3, the rule for a sequence of numbers is at 3 each time. So 1, 4, 7, 10, 13. The sequence continues in the same way. So about the numbers that are not in the sequence. So we have to continue from 40 up to 40. So 13 plus 3, 16, 19 plus 3, 22, 25, 28 plus 3, 31 plus 3, 34 plus 3, 37 plus 3, 40. Okay, not in the sequence is, yes, 22, 28, 33. No, 33 is not in the sequence. What it is here? Okay, 33 is not in the sequence. Number 4, a sequence has the first term, 20, 20, and the term to term rule is at 11. Okay, write the first 5 terms of the sequence. First term is 20, 20 plus 11, 20, 31, 20, 42, 20, 53, and 20, 64. Okay, that's all. Number 5, write the next 4 terms. Next 4 terms in these linear sequences. So let's check our term to term rule. 10 becomes 7 is subtract 3 and another subtract 3. And 4 minus 3 is 1. And subtract 3 minus 2, negative 2 and negative 5 and negative 8. Okay, part B, negative 7, negative 9 becomes negative 7 is at 2 each time. So negative 3, negative 1, and 1 and 3. Part C, 1095, 1060, 1025. Okay, our temperature is how much? 1095 and 1095 and 1060. Okay, 535. So it is subtract 35. And let's check 1060, 1025. All right, 6 becomes 5. 14. Minus 2 is 3. Okay, so this is another negative 35. So next terms are subtract again 35 again, 990, 955, 920, 885. Number 6. Here is part of a number sequence. The numbers increase by 25 each time. Increase by 25 each time is that's 25 each time. 25, 50, 75, 100, and 125. Okay, circle all the numbers below. That will be in the sequence. So our terms are end with 5 and 0. 5 and 0, but 50 or 100. 50 or 100. So will be is 750 and another one, not 55, not 35, 900, not 95. The only two are 750 and 900. They will be in the sequence. Number 7, Amy makes a number sequence. The first term of her sequence is 1. The term to term rule is at 7. Amy says, if I keep adding 7, I will reach 77. So let's check. Let's check some of her terms. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 7 is 15. 15 plus 7 is 22, and so on. She said, if I keep adding 7, I will reach 77. But 77 is a multiple of 7. Her terms are 1 more than her terms are 1 more than a multiple of 7. Her terms are 1 more than multiple of 7. So what Amy says is not correct. Not correct. Okay, her terms are 1 more than multiple of 7. Okay, number 8 here is part of a number sequence. The first number is missing. So term to term rule is negative 5. So we have to find this number. We have to reverse the operation. So 297, we have to add 5 again. So 12, 0, 3. So the first term is 302. Number 9, a sequence has first term 1001 and the last term 1041. The term to term rule is at 5. Write down all the terms in the sequence. So let's start from 1, 001 at 5, 1006, 1011, 1016, 0, So, number 10, each number in this sequence is double the previous number, write the missing numbers. Okay, so 3 is double this number, so the previous number is half of 3. Half of 3 is 1.541. 48 double is 96. Challenge number 11, write the missing number in this sequence. 1, 3, 6, 10. Explain how you work it out. 1, 3, 6, 10. Okay. 1, 2, 3 plus 2, 3 to 6 plus 3, 6 to 10 is plus 4. So another time, next time we have to add 5. 10 plus 5 is 15. Okay, we have to add one more each time. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, the last time is 15. Number 12, the numbers in this sequence increase by 10 each time. Increase by 10 each time is add 10 each time. 4, 14, 24. The sequence continues in the same way. Write two numbers from the sequence that make a total of 68. Total of 68. Here is 24. So let's check by subtracting 24 from 68. 8, 4 is 4, 6, 2 is 2. So 8, 4 is 4. 6, 2 is, 4. Oh, again, let's please subtract. Sorry. Okay. 8 minus 4, 4. 6 minus 2 is 68, 24. Okay, 44. Yes, 44 plus 24 is 68. So we can add 24 and 44. Okay, number 13, describe each of the sequence below. Is the sequence linear or nonlinear? What is the first term? What is the term-to-term rule? What are the next two terms in the sequence? So it is linear or not. We have to check our term-to-term rule. And 5, 9 is plus 4. 9, 30 is plus 4. 37 is plus 4. So it is linear. Linear sequence. What is the first term? First term is 5. Term-to-term rule is add 4. What are the next two terms in the sequence? So 17 plus 4 is 21. 21 plus 4 is 25. Part B, okay, 3, 11, the same question. Part B, 3, 11, 18. 3 and 11 is at 8. 11 and 18 is at 7. 18, 24 is 8, 7. 18 plus 6 is 24. Okay. What is the first term? First term is 3. And what is the term-to-term rule is? Term-to-term rule is at 8, then at 8, then at 8, then one less each time. And what are the next two terms? Next two terms are next time 24 plus 5 is 29. And this is plus 5. Next time plus 4. 29 plus 4 is 33. Okay, this is first term is 3. 3, 6 is 3 times 2. Well, this sequence is nonlinear. Okay, nonlinear. This one is 3, 6, 6, 12 is times 2. Times 2, double each time. 3 is the first term and 10 to terminal is double. And this is nonlinear sequence. And next two terms are 24 double is 48. 48 double is 96. 40, write a sequence containing these numbers. Your sequence must have at least one number between the two given numbers. Describe the rule you use and there could be different answers. Okay, 1 and 10. 1 and 10, let's look at the difference between them is 9. 9 can be 3 plus 6. Okay, 1, 3, 6, and 10. Okay, 1 and 3. 1 and 3 we add plus 2. 3 and 6. 3 and 6 we add 3. 6 and 10 we add 4. Our term to term rule is add one more each time. Happy 6 and 20. 6 and 20, the difference is 14. Okay, 14 can be 14. 14, so 14 divided by 2 is 7. So if we add 6 plus 7 is 13. 13 plus 7 is 20. Okay. Okay, our term to term rule is add 7. Let's see. This is term to term rule. 3 and 15. 3 and 15 difference is 15, 3 is 12. 12. Okay, 3 and 15. 15 is multiple of 3. And the difference is 12. So we can do multiples of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. 3, 6, 9, 12 is 15. Our term to term rule is at 3. Okay, D, 1 and 100. It's a long one. 1 and 100, it is better to do square numbers. So 1 is 1 square, 100 is 10 square. So 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square, 16, 25, 6 square, 36, 7 square, 49, 8 square, 64, 9 square, 81, and 100. So our term to term is, let me write here, multiply each number by itself. So we are square numbers. Okay. This is the end of exercise 1.1. This is article 1.2 and exercise 1.2. More on negative numbers. Okay, negative numbers we used to show the temperatures. Okay, well, let's look at example 2. Here is a temperature scale. The scale is between -10 and +20 degrees Celsius. Okay, the temperature is 1 degree below freezing on a cold day. 1 degree below freezing. mark the position of this temperature on the scale with an arrow. Okay, 1 degree below freezing. Freezing is at 0. And let's look the scale between -10 and 0. There are 5 parts, so each part is 2 units. Now, each division on the number line represents 2 units because there are 5 parts between 0 and 10. Okay, this is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, -1 degree Celsius is to the left of 0, 1 unit. Here is -1 degree Celsius. Exercise 1.2, number 1. Here is a thermometer. The arrow is pointing at 10 degrees Celsius. So draw an arrow on the thermometer pointing to -5 degrees Celsius. -5 degrees Celsius is to the left of 0, 5 units. Okay, these scales are between 0 and 10, there are 10 parts, so each unit is 1. So -5 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here is -5 degrees Celsius. Okay, number 2, here are some temperatures. 4, -3, 5, 0, and -2. Part A, which is the warmest temperature? Warmest temperature is the largest positive number. Largest positive number is 5 degrees Celsius. So the warmest temperature, 5 degrees Celsius. Part B, which is the coldest temperature? Coldest temperature is the largest negative number. The largest negative number is -3. So -3 degrees Celsius. Number 3, look at the number line. Number line is between -10 and +10. Right where you would land on the number line out of these moves. Okay, we start from -4. We count on is we have to add or we have to go to the right. Count on 1, -4 here, and count on 1 is -3. Part B, we start from 6. Count back is negative and we have to go to the left. To the left 6 units. From 6 and to the left 6 unit is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is 0. We reach to 0. And part C, start from -5 and count on to the right 3 unit. From 5 to 3 unit, 1, 2, 3, it is -2. And part D, we start from 0, count back to the left 9 unit. 0 from to the left 9 unit is -9. Okay. Number 4, circle the larger number in each pair. Find the difference between the two numbers. Use the number line to help you. Okay. First, let's circle the larger number. -6 and -2. The larger number is smaller. So larger number is -2. Difference is -6 and -2. There are 1, 2, 3, 4. Difference is 4. -3, -1, larger number is smaller negative number, -1. Difference is -3 and -1, 1, 2. Difference is 2. 4, -4, larger number is +4. Difference is -4 to +4. 4 to 0 is 4 units. 0 to 4 is number 4 units. Okay, difference is 8. This is number 4. Number 5. Here is part of a number line. Write the missing numbers in the boxes. Missing numbers in the boxes. So let's check the scales first. Between 0 and 10, there are 10 units. So each unit is 1. Each unit is 1. So -10, -9, -8, this is -7. From 0, this is +0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is so -7 and 4. Number 6, the thermometer shows the temperature of -8 degrees Celsius. This is -8. So draw arrows on the thermometer to point to these temperatures. Okay, -4. -4 is to the left of 4 units, to the left of 0, 4 units. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is -4 degrees Celsius. Celsius and 14 degrees Celsius. This is 10, 20 to the right of 4 units. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 14 degrees Celsius and -1 is to the left of 0, 1 unit. Let me show from here. This is -1 degree Celsius. Okay, it's not very hot. Number 7, write the missing numbers in these sequences. Missing numbers in these sequences. -12, -8 is we have to add 4. So another 4, -4, and 0, 4, 8, and another 4 is 12. Part B, -15, -5, 0, 5. 0 to 5 is add 5. So we add 5, -10, and another 5 is 10 and 15. Number 8, the temperature outside when Soraya arrived at school was -1 degree Celsius. By lunchtime, the temperature had risen by 8 degrees Celsius. What was the temperature at lunchtime? Okay, initial temperature is, let's see on the number line. This is 0. This is -1. Temperature has risen by 8. This is 1 unit and another 7 unit is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 degrees Celsius risen is from -1 to the right. 8 unit is 7. So answer is 7 degrees Celsius was the temperature at lunchtime. Number 9, put these numbers in order on the number line. Okay. 0 to the left, 0 is -1, -2, -3, 4, and this is -5. And +1 is to the right of 0. Number 10, the temperature in Amsterdam is 2 degrees Celsius. The temperature in Helsinki is -7 degrees Celsius. How many degrees warmer is it in Amsterdam than in Helsinki? So let's look at the line. This is 0. This is 2 degrees Celsius. This is -7 degrees Celsius. How many degree warmer is the difference between them? 7 and 0 is 7. 0 and 2 is 2. So we have to add them. So the difference is 9 degrees Celsius. So 9 degrees Celsius warmer in Amsterdam than in Helsinki. Okay, number 11. Here is a fridge freezer. The temperature in the freezer is 15 degrees Celsius. The temperature in the fridge is 4 degrees Celsius. What's the difference in temperature between the fridge and the freezer? Okay, let's see again on the line. Here is 0. Freezer is -15. Fridge is 4. The difference in temperature is 0 to 15 is 15, 0 to 4 is 4, so we have to add them. The difference is 15 plus 4 is 19 degrees Celsius. This is number 12. Here is a part of number 9. Write the missing number in the boxes. Missing number. So from 0 to 100, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 parts, so 1 part is 20. 20, 40, 60, 80. So this must be 80. And this is 0. To the left of 0, -20. This is -40. This is -40. Okay. Number 13, Mira counts on. Mira counts on in threes, starting at -13. She says, if I start at -13 and keep adding 3, I will reach 0. Is mirror correct? Explain your answer. So we have to continue the sequence to check the answer is correct or not. 13, 13, negative 10, negative 7, negative 4, negative 1, and 2, and so on. So look here, from negative 1 to 2, there is no 0. So she is not correct because 0 is not included in the sequence. Okay, this article 1.3, understanding place value. Okay, let's look example 3 first. Which number is 10 times smaller than 7,070? 7,070 is 7,070. 10 times smaller is the same as divided by 10. So when you divide by 10, all the digits move one place to the right. It is smaller one place. So 7,070 becomes, let's look on the place value columns. The thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones. 7,070. This 1,000 values move to the right one place. So this 7 becomes 7,000 becomes 700. 0 becomes tens, and 7 tens becomes 7 ones. Okay. Answer is 707. So the right answer is 707. Exercise 1.3. Number 1, the distance from London to Budapest in Hungary is 1,450 kilometers. Okay, write the number 1,450 in words. Okay, 1 is 1,000. 1,000. And 50. 1,550. Okay, number 2, circle the number that is 5,005. 5,005. Let's check. This is 50,000. 5,050. No, this is 5,005 is this one. This is 50,000. This is 500 and 5,550. Okay, the right answer is 5,000. Number 3, the table shows the number of visitors to a sports center during 4 months. January, February, March, and April. Numbers of visitors, all the months are over 6,000. Okay, which month had the most visitors? Means the largest amount of visitors. Okay, let's check. All months are 6,000. And let's check our 100, please. Here are 500, 500, 500. And let's look again 10, please. This is 50. Others are 0, 50, and this is the largest one. 6,550. Okay. Which month had the most visitors is April. Okay. Number 4, complete this decomposition. Okay, let's read the number first. 305,469. So 300,000. So 3 is 300,000. And 0 is placeholder. 5 is 5,000. Okay, 4 is 400. And 6 is 60. And 9 is 9 ones. Okay, number 5. Katie's password is a 5-digit number. 1 is in the 10,000s place. 2 is in the ones place. So 3 is in the hundreds place, 4 is in the thousands, 5 is in the tens. So what is Katie's password? Write your answer in words and in figures. So let's write down here first and then 5 digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 1 is in the tens. This is tens, ones, hundreds, thousands, 10, okay, 10, 10,000 place. 10,000 place has 1. And 2 is in the ones. 2. 3 is in the hundreds. 300. 1,000. 4 is in the thousand place. And 5 is in the 10 place. So let's read them first. 14,352. In digits, in figures, 1, 4, 3, 6. Fill in the missing numbers. It's easy. 6 times 10 is 60. Another times 10 is 600. 6 times 100 is 600. Okay. 1,400 divided by 10, we have to remove 1 0. It becomes 140. Now the division with 10, it is 14. 1,400 divided by 100 is 14. Okay, 32 times 10, 320. Another times 10, 3,200. 32 times 100 is 3,200. Okay, 8,000 divided by 10, cancel 1 0, it becomes 800. 100 divided by 10, cancel another 0, it is 80. 8,000 divided by 100 is 20, cancel 80. Number 7, take the largest number that can be made using these 4-digit cards. Take the largest number. So if we want to choose, if we write down, then digit first is easier to do. Okay, 9,903. 9,039, 9,930, 9,093. So pick the largest number. So let's look 903, 930. This is the largest. 9,930 is the largest number. Okay, number 8. Write in digits the numbers that is equivalent to 130,000 plus 3 tenths. 130,000, 3 tenths, there is no 100. 130,000 and 3 tenths is 30. Here are 4 number cards. 850. Let's write down in digits. 850. B, 508. C, 580. 580. D, 58. Okay, write the letter to the card that is the answer to 85 times 10 is 850. This is A. B, 5,800 divided by 10 is, the answer is 580. This is C. And 5,800 divided by 100 is, our answer is 58. 58 is D. And 58 times 10 is 580. It is C. 580 divided by 10 is 58. This is D. And F is 50,800 divided by 100 is cancel zeros. 508 is B. Is CTE. Okay. Number 10. 4 students decompose the number 29,292. Okay, here are the results. One answer is incorrect. So which answer is incorrect? We have to choose incorrect one. Okay. So let's write down the number plus. 20,000, yes, 20,000, 9,292. Yes, this is right. 20,000, 9,292. Okay. 20,000, 9,292. Yes. And this is 20,000, 20,900. No. 20,992. No. This is incorrect. So the answer is incorrect. One is T. Challenge number 11. Write in words the largest number that can be made using all the digits. Okay, let's write down the digit first and then let's write in words. So the largest one is 9, 7, 5, 3, 1, 0. Okay, 9. There are 6 digits. 9, 7, 5, 3, 1, 0. Okay, 900, 900 and 75,000 375,310. Number 12, use the clues to solve the crossword. Okay, a cross 2 is the digit in the ones place in the number 742793. Ones place is 3. Okay, number 2 is DHREE 3. 5 across 7 groups of 10. 7 groups of 10 is 70. SEENTY. Okay, number 6, the digit in the 10,000 place in 10,000 place is 4. Okay, 6 is FOQR. Down, number 1, the name for 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 7 for the digits. Okay, DIGIDS. Number 3, the digit in the 100,000 place in the number 100,000 is 800. 814,682. Number 3, EIGHD 8. Yes, last one. This digit is used to hold an empty place in a number. It is 0. CERO. So D, fill in the missing numbers. It's easy. Times 100 is we only have to add the 2 zeros. B, 3,000 divided by 100 is 30. And 29 times what is 2,900? Our answer has 2 extra zeros, so we have to multiply with 100. 2,700 divided by what is 27? So 27, we cancel 2 zeros, so we have to divide with 100. And E, 3,040. 3,040. divided by 100. So this original dividend is 304000. They are 304,000. Okay. Now for the here are 6 number cards. 10, 100,000, 35, 305, 350. Use two cards to complete each calculation. You can use a card more than once. Okay, 35. 35 can be divided by also 350. 350 divided by 10 is 35. Yes, 350. Okay, 35 and multiplies by 10. Okay, this is all for Unit-1 workbook. Thank you so much for your attention and for your watching. See you in the next video. Thanks again.